In this video, we will create a 5-step animated infographic. This can be used for business proposals or showcasing data metrics for the project. We'll start with creating a rounded corner head arrow. For this, add a vertical rectangle shape. Remove outline by marking shape outline as none. Add a round corner rectangle shape. Drag the yellow dot to make it complete rounded. Keep the height and width to minimum to make an arrow head. Rotate the rectangle by 45 degrees and place it at the top of rectangle shape. Create duplicate shape using Ctrl+D and flip it horizontally. Align both the angled shapes to connect at center, making an arrow head. Select all the shapes using Ctrl+A. Go to Shape Format tab. Under Shape Format menu, select Union option. Add a round cornered rectangle. Place it next to the arrow shape. Adjust the width and curve as per wish. Create a duplicate shape. Change the fill color for identification. Now bring this rectangle shape down so it overlaps other rectangle. Select both rectangle shapes and select Subtract option from Merge Shape menu. Add a rectangle shape and cover half of the subtracted shape. Select both shapes and choose Fragments option. Delete the shapes not required. Create duplicate of left out shape and flip it vertically first and then horizontally. Align both the shapes as shown in video. Select both shapes and merge them using Union option under Merge Shape menu. Add a rounded corner rectangle shape and place it below curved shape. Create a duplicate shape and change fill color for identification. Select both rectangles and select Fragment option under Shape Format menu. One fragmented part is placed at the bottom and other is placed on the top. Select all the shapes, create a duplicate, and place next to first set as shown in video. Increase the width of blue shape to maintain the distance between two arrows. Group both the sets separately, create duplicate of these, and place it on other side of center arrow. We'll start to give final structure to the infographic. For this, add a rectangle shape and place it at the bottom and keep a copy for later use. Select all the bottom green shapes and the rectangle. Select Fragments option under Shape Format tab. Delete all the unwanted shapes as shown in video. Reduce the rectangle shape to cover the top green shape as we need to place arrowhead on top of each section. Using Fragment option, delete the top part from each section and replace with arrowhead. Using Fragment method, we will copy the arrowhead from center and paste over all the other sections. As this will take some time to align and merge, we will speed up the video to expedite. Skeletal of our infographic is ready now. We'll start updating the colors. For center shape, we will do a gradient fill pattern with dark gray shade. We'll add some shadow effects to improve visualization. From Format pop-up, select Center Shadow option. Play around with the settings until satisfied. Add border to the center shape and update border color same as the arrow. Once colors are updated, we'll add icons and relevant text to the infographic. Add a rectangle shape. Adjust the width to cover the base of all 5 arrows. Remove outline and update fill color same as slide color. Create duplicate rectangle. Place it below the shape placed at bottom. Update the fill color to gray or black. Increase the soft edge points to give that shadow effect.